So in order to write an equation from the data, the very first thing you probably need to do is go ahead and find, it's kind of like the directions on finding the correlation coefficient, which you would go to your lists and spreadsheets. And then you need to make sure that you rename column A X, column B Y, enter the data, and then you're going to hit menu 413. And again, this is on the Inspire calculator. And then you're going to choose X for the X list, Y for the Y list, click OK, and then you'll find out that the M is, if we're going to round to 2 decimal places, which will be 2.11x, and then the B is your y-intercept, which will be rounded to 2 decimal places, 25.11. The correlation coefficient is the R. So R equals, rounded to 2 decimal places, would be 0.95. And what type of correlation is this? Is it a strong or a weak? So remember, anything that's 0.8 to 1 is considered strong. All right, number 4 says graph the inequality. X is greater than -3. So this will be a dashed line that goes through the X axis at -3. So it's going to be a dashed line. Okay, and then we're going to shade everything greater, which would be everything to the right side. All right, number 5, graph the inequality. Y is less than or equal to 2. So this is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. It's going to go through the y-axis, a solid line, since it has an equal sign. And everything, all y values less than 2 would be everything below. Number 6, we're going to solve for y first. So you're going to take that 3x and move it to the other side. Bring down the negative with the 2y is greater than positive 3x becomes a negative 3x plus 6. Then you're going to go through and divide everything by -2. When you divide by negative, you flip the inequality symbol, and then a negative over a negative is a positive, and 3 over 2 can't be reduced anymore. And 6 divided by -2 is -3. So we're going to begin at -3 and then go up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2. This will be a dashed line. And all y values less than 3/2 x minus 3 will be below. So everything below this line would be shaded. Number 7, does the point 1,4 satisfy the inequality 2x plus 3y less than 8? So remember, this is your x value and this is your y value. So I'm going to show you the work over here. Let me go ahead and change color so it won't interfere with problem 6. So this will be 2 times 1 plus 3 times 4. And we're going to see if the left side is less than 8. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times 4 is 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. Is 14 less than 8? No. So this is a false statement, so therefore it would be no. Number 8, f of x equals -4x plus 1. Write a function that represents g of x equals f of x plus 5. So this is going to be g of x equals, remember that our f of x is -4x plus 1. So it's going to go in place of f of x. So we're going to put -4x plus 1 and then add 5 to it. So it's going to end up being g of x equals -4x plus 6. So this would be the correct answer there.